Are we together? Who is not there?
It's present.
Yeah?
There are two Davids. David Mahitia, one is saying that it's wrong Richard, and then David Mahitia, who is present in court.
Let me ask you.
Solomon and value. The source of the said money, while you jointly and severally ought to reasonably have known that the money formed part of the proceeds of crime. Your response?
Not guilty.
Being the governor, directors of Top Image, Media Consultant and Value Limited, respectively entered into an arrangement of transfer of Kenya shillings 3,700,000 towards the purchase of 13 acres of LR number Muigana to Ngare Block 2 to Ngare Block 2 on account of monies paid unlawfully by the county government of Muranga to Top Image Media Consultant Limited.
National dialogue, necessary parliamentary procedures.